Right guys, EdShed again. Don't forget, like and subscribe, follow me about. Please, because obviously the YouTube are being really awkward and doing all sorts of stuff to make themselves loads of money and getting me really hacked off with doing cars. Anyway, so, this video is not about that really. This video is not about me putting the other spring in yet, because I've got to clear all this crap off. Well, this video is about that. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Eat your heart out, Drew. That's just come home, and I think, alright, I'm not quite sure what that plug would be. Obviously it's an interesting one because it's industrial. Look, industrial fin, screw thread. I haven't got the screws, but I think I can soon find something to match that. But what a lovely thing. Don't you think that's beautiful? Yeah, alright, it's not pat tested and all that crap, but it will be pat tested by me. And I'm thinking about sort of pat testing it somewhere and putting it in, maybe in my shed, looking at one of the cars. Or maybe on my new workshop when I get my new shed organised. I don't know, but what a lovely thing. Isn't it amazing what people throw out that they just don't care about? They just chuck in the bin. Because that, to me, is absolutely beautiful. I think it's stunning. I think it's just like really lovely. I think it's a lovely, alright, colour. Yeah, what do you expect? Whose is it? Oh god, it's the EDL. Oops, we better be careful on that one. But yeah, I don't know where that's from, and I have no idea why it would have a plug like that. It's got cup. Is that cup? Can you read that, guys? Or maybe someone who's watching this will know what that is. Somebody should know what it is or what it was for, but it's obviously some sort of industrial fitting machinist light. I don't know whether that's a screw-in bulb or a push and twist. If it's a screw-in, I reckon it's foreign. I reckon it could be sort of possibly, sounds German to me, doesn't it? So yeah, so maybe it's somebody's brought it from Germany. Maybe it came out of a bunker. I think I might have saw something like that in an old film somewhere. Yeah, alright, I'm joking, but it does look old to me. It doesn't look like it's new, and I think it looks gorgeous. It's one of many strange things that arrive from my house that my son gets, and he's sort of like, he's very good. He's like a little magpie. He recognises all the sort of crap I'd like. And he knows that will put a smile on my face, and it did. And I'm going to also, if I can, find some screws for here. Now I reckon if it is German, it'll be on metric threads, won't it? Do you think so? Because I never reckon that as a British bloke. So we'll have a look in the old metric tub and see what the Ermans have got. But I just can't believe what that could have come out of. I do not know what that could have come from. It's something very, very strange. But I can soon rewire it if I have to. I can soon put a new wire through there. I'm not really too worried. Got a switch up on the top, so good clean out. And what an industrial fit for the shed. Possibly on the workbench. Yeah, good. Okay. So, alright guys, that was just a bit of a waste of time video really, because as I say, it's just showing the sort of stuff that people throw away. Sad. But of course, what someone said, you can't buy taste, can you? No. There you go. Anyway, so back to the suspension. I will probably put the camera on if I get it started on and I start making these headrows. But if not, you'll see it when it's done. But we'll have a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.